Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, taking a look at one of our classic ladies cocktail watches, and this one is by Baumer Mercier. This watch features this lovely 18 karat gold bracelet, which is very comfortable to wear, these gorgeous diamond lugs and this diamond bezel, and this very interesting pop of color in the form of mother of pearl. And you can see it's got these great looking green and cyan and purple striations throughout as you move it into light. Now, since this is a classic cocktail watch, it's kind of the more classic size. It's very thin, very understated, and it would look really gorgeous all on its own at a very formal party or a wedding. It's a very understated but very sparkly and still very beautiful piece. But if you want to wear it in a more casual or everyday way, you could pair it with a lot more bangles or bracelets and really make it this more casual wear approach that features a little bit of this retro glam. And the other great thing about this watch is that it's an unbeatable price on the secondhand market, and we've got a lot more classic cocktail watches in stock from a lot of other brands, but this one is just so gorgeous with its mother of pearl dial. So if you're looking to pick up a watch that has this great retro glam feel, check out all of our cocktail watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.